Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
I can't hear you. Hello?
Uh, yes, can you hear me?
Yeah, now it's better.
Great. Your name is Arundhati, right?
Yeah.
Great, Arundhati. Where are you from?
I'm from the state of Chhattisgarh and I live in the town of Bhilai.
Oh, it's the capital, right?
No, actually, the capital is Raipur and Bhilai is a town near Raipur.
Oh, I've heard the name Bhilai somewhere. It's like related to steel and something, right?
Yeah, we have the Bhilai steel plant here.
Ah, yeah. I studied it in like social science or something. I
Yeah,
guess you would have also studied about it, right?
yes.
And you live there. Great. My name is Divyansh and I'm from Delhi. Okay,
Okay.
great. And I'm gonna be a tutor for this session, right?
Yeah.
Great, Arundhati. So, since this is our first session together, tell me something about self first.
Okay, so I am in eighth grade right now, and I'm 13 years old, and I love to read, paint, and sing. And what else? So I think this is pretty much it about me.
Oh, great. I also love painting, by the way. Can
Oh,
you see
that's
this
great.
painting? Can you see this
Yeah,
painting?
yeah.
Hello? Yeah, I've made that. Can you figure out who that is?
Could you repeat that?
Can you figure out who that is?
Hmm. I don't know. To me, it looks like a frog with a smile.
Oh, it's not a frog. Do you watch Marvel movies? Like
Yeah.
Avengers?
Okay, it's Hulk, is it?
That's why.
Okay.
Sorry. It's not a frog. Okay. Great. So, how has the day been going, by the way? It's like early morning, right? It's almost like
Yeah.
11:45. What all did you do since the morning?
So I woke up really late. I had my breakfast, got fresh, and yeah, and now I'm here. So I did not do anything today.
You didn't have school today?
No, today is a Saturday, so it's a holiday.
Saturday, Sunday are off, I'm guessing, right?
Yes, yes.
Oh, and I think your exams might be closed, right?
No, they are about to start from 16th of this month.
Oh, and it's 11th, right? So it's like
Yeah,
5 days later.
we have 1 week almost.
Yeah, like a week. And you have you prepared for that?
Yeah, a little bit.
Okay, great. So today's topic is if you own a petrol pump.
Yeah.
Okay, great. So first of all, like, uh, have you visited a lot of petrol pumps in your life?
Yes, I have.
Okay, and what have you noticed about what all things have you noticed about them?
Okay, so we have to go to a petrol pump very regularly because you need to pump gas in your vehicle. So I have seen that we have these rectangular cuboidal things from where you pump the gas, and it's for petrol, diesel, and we also have that the place where you can fill air in the tires of the vehicle. So that is what I have seen, and there's like a counter sort of thing at one corner where all the staff are. And what else? Usually I have seen four of the what are they even called? I don't know. The things from where you pump the gas, I've seen four of them. It's usually just four in
Mm.
regular stations. And what else? I think this is pretty much I have seen. And I have seen this big board, and usually it is written Indian oil, something like that.
Mm.
And
Yeah,
there are many boards that say that. And also I have seen billboards and posters of advertisements.
yeah. Sometimes they're also there. Yeah, and they've got like cool neon lighting also, right?
Yeah.
Cool looking neon lights that
Mm,
makes them shine a lot.
yeah.
Great. So suppose if you own the petrol pump, right?
Hmm.
How would life be different from your present life?
It would be very different because I wouldn't be a student anymore. I would be the owner of the petrol pump, and I feel like it would be a really nice life. You just need to sit there and manage the petrol pump, and that's it. You don't need to study. That's a thing.
Yeah.
And nowadays petrol prices are just going up really, really quickly, and therefore I think it's a profitable business. I'm not sure, but I think it
Yeah,
is. So it would be a
it is.
great life, I would say.
That's yeah, indeed true. Yeah, actually, if like someone who's a petrol pump, I think they'd be millionaires in no time. I would say, right?
Yeah.
There's a lot of money in petrol and gas and stuff
Hmm.
like that. So, what do you want to be when you grow up? Have you planned anything yet?
I was thinking of taking up a government job or taking up law or something like that.
Oh, and are you like good at arguing since you're thinking about law?
Yeah, I guess.
Okay, I guess. Yeah, I guess all kids are pretty good at arguing,
Hmm.
like in general, speaking
Yeah.
generally. Great. So, how would your daily routine be different if you owned a petrol pump?
Um, okay, so if I'm the owner, so the thing is that I won't have to do much work because I'll have staff to help me in the
Mhm.
petrol pump. Therefore, I think it would be a pretty good life to be an owner and just I'll go to the petrol pump and just I don't really know what do owners do in petrol pump. I'll just go there, order people that do this, do that, and I'll just enjoy the rest of my day.
That's a good day. Yeah, actually, there's not much work, I would say, for the owner,
Hmm.
exactly,
Yeah.
right?
Mm.
The workers have to do quite a bit of work, but for the owner, not a lot of work. You
Hmm.
just have to own the place. What else can you do?
Yeah.
Great. And like, if you had to put gas in your car, that would be for free also, right? Since you own the
Yeah.
petrol.
Yeah.
Great. What do your parents do, by the way?
Okay, so my mother is a government worker and my father works in Pillai Steel Plant.
Oh, the one that you study about in the books, right?
Yeah.
Like, Bhilai is famous for steel. Oh, that's kind of cool. And were you born in Bhilai only, or like somewhere else?
In Pillai only.
Oh, and your parents are also from Bhilai.
Yes. No, not exactly because my parents have been living in Pillai for a really long time, but my mother was originally from another district of Chhattisgarh.
But like after marriage, to go here.
Yeah.
Oh, okay, that's cool. And how would you maintain safety standards in your petrol pump? Oh, first of all, like what would you name your petrol pump? That's the
Hmm.
main part, right?
Okay. I might name it on the road. Like, let's say that the petrol pump is on a national highway, so I can just name it the highway petrol pump or something like that.
Okay, but like nothing personal, like based on your name or something.
I mean, it would be weird to name a petrol pump after my name. Like, just imagine going to the Arundhati petrol pump. Isn't it weird?
But something related to your name, like a pet name or something, like uh,
Hmm.
Aruni,
Hmm.
Aruni petrol pump. Yeah.
Maybe. Aruna petrol pump. Yeah,
Aruna.
that is
Oh,
right.
that sounds kind of good. Yeah,
Yeah.
Aruna petrol pump. Yeah, we could do
Hmm.
that.
Yes.
Great. And how has this experience been when you've gone to the petrol pumps? Have you ever been in any sort of an argument or something like that?
No, never. It's just a very quick go through to the petrol. You just go in there, fill in the gas, go out, give the money. That's it.
Like nothing heated up argument or nothing like that.
No, not yet.
Maybe it's your own petrol pump. You can have. Great. So what else do you do when you're free? Like do you watch movies or something?
I watch a cartoon series. It's called Phineas and Ferb.
Oh, I've seen it all my childhood. Like
Hmm.
you know, just explain it. And
Hmm.
who's your favorite character in Phineas and Ferb?
Ferb.
Because he's like quiet kid. Is that so?
And no, mainly because of his British accent.
Mm, it's kind of cool. And I remember a lot of things about Phineas and Ferb. Like they used to make a lot of stuff, right?
Yeah, yeah.
And they had a sister Candace who's
Hmm.
always on the go to get them caught.
Yeah.
Um, it kind of just brings up a lot of memories. Uh, and anything else that you watch specifically?
I love to watch Disney movies, so I do that when I'm free. I have watched The Lion King 4 times.
Oh, quite interested, I think you were in Lion King.
Yeah, I actually the thing is that whenever I watch any other Disney movie, I don't really like it that much. But Lion King is the movie that I really liked. So whenever I'm free, I just go like, okay, let's just watch Lion King for another time because it's a nice movie.
And have you seen Frozen?
Yes, once.
Hmm. I was seen Frozen. And what else we have?
Hmm.
Any other cool Disney movie that you remember?
I recently watched Encanto.
Oh, I haven't seen that. And I have not even thought of that. It's like a recent movie.
No, it's like a fictional movie where there's magic involved and everything. It's a nice movie. It's very emotional kind of.
Oh, Encanto, what's the name? I'll check it out.
Yeah, it's Encanto, Encanto.
Oh, the name sounds Spanish.
Yes, actually it means magic or magical in Spanish.
Oh, have you seen Coco? I just remembered by
Yes,
fun.
yes, I
Right?
just watched it a week ago or something like that.
Oh, Coco is a cool movie.
Yeah,
That's really sick. And I really enjoyed the plot, by the way, of Coco. It's really
yeah.
cool.
Hmm.
And the whole story and stuff
Hmm.
of plot. Okay,
Yeah.
so would you want to expand your petrol pumps? Like more and more? Or would you just stick with just one petrol pump?
I think I might expand because if you're just in one area or in one location, then it's like less benefit than being in other areas and more areas because then you can have incomes from different places. So I think I
Hmm.
might expand.
Yeah, that would be a good business related
Hmm.
idea. You just
Yeah.
expand.
Hmm.
And like these days, you would have heard about electric cars, right?
Yeah.
So do you think that might make you like run out of business?
Maybe, but I think electric cars are not in that much. What do you call prachalan in English?
Circulation.
Yeah, okay. So electric cars are not in much circulation in India. I
Your
have,
Hindi is also pretty good. Yeah, continue, please.
okay. Especially in Chhattisgarh, there is very less circulation of electric cars, so I don't think it might be a problem.
Hmm. And even if it is, that's gonna take a lot of time, like for electric
Yeah,
cars to really get into the scene and start
yeah.
replacing normal cars, right?
Hmm.
That will take a lot of time.
Yes.
But like, suppose we have electric cars, right? Would you be interested in driving an electric car or a regular car, the petrol one?
I'm not sure, but I think I would like to go for the electric car because it is more environmentally friendly because you're not really using petrol or gas. I think the electric
Hmm.
car.
Actually, and I have heard that it has a lot of space too, free space,
Hmm.
because the
Oh,
combustion engine and all of that is removed,
yeah.
right? It's all
Hmm.
batteries and stuff, just so more
Hmm.
space. It has like two boot spaces in the front also and at the back also. So you can put a
Oh.
shitload of stuff there. A lot of stuff.
Hmm.
And do you know how to drive, by the way? Like scooty or something?
No, I just know how to ride my bicycle. That's it.
Uh, and have you ever tried to learn?
No, I don't want to. I feel like I'll just learn it when I grow up, like maybe 16 or 17. But right now, I'm all right with my bicycle.
Oh, that's okay, by the way. Like, even I don't know how to ride a bike, so that's kind of okay. And how did you learn how to ride a bike? Like, how did that go? Like bicycle.
It was good. It took me around 1 year to learn, I guess. I'm not really sure, but it was a long period of time. And I learned how to ride my bike really late because my friends they learned it when they were in grade first or second, but I learned it in grade third or fourth. Yeah, I was very late.
Yeah. I learned it when I was in 10th.
Oh,
You're not late.
okay.
I was late. Okay,
Okay.
good. So, oh, since we mentioned electric cars, we would have heard about Elon Musk, right?
Yeah.
What do you think about him? Like, is he doing the right thing, cool things, or is he like a weirdo? What do you think?
I think it's all right. He's the CEO of Tesla. Good, nice. I don't really know much about him.
Mhm. Like, he's also CEO of Tesla, and I think you would have heard that he recently bought Twitter also,
Yeah,
right?
yeah, Twitter, yeah.
In do you use Twitter, by the way?
No, no.
I think Twitter is like for the older people, right?
Hmm.
Like big people, maybe celebrities, stuff like that.
Yeah.
Okay, great. Anything else? Okay, do we have anything to me? Or this is good?
No, not really.
Mm, how do you drive, by the way? I think like I've heard a lot of people they kind of just keep crashing their cars into poles or into people or into other cars. Have
Hmm.
you had that kind of incidents with your bicycle? Have you crashed it?
No, never. But once I was cycling with one of my friends, and he crashed his cycle with another cycler.
Cyclist.
Cyclist, yeah, okay, cyclist.
And did he get hurt or something?
No, they just had to apologize to each other, and it was done, and then no one was hurt.
Oh, I remember one thing since you mentioned bicycle accidents. I was kind of small. I think I was like your age, 12 or 13, something like that. I was just running and there was a turn. Okay. And there was a bicycle coming from the other way. And I was running this way. Okay. I didn't see the bicycle since there was a turn. Right.
Hmm.
And I was
Yeah.
running quite fast, I would say. I was running very fast. And the bicycle came and the handle of the bicycle hit me in my nose. And I started
Oh.
bleeding.
Oh.
And I was like devastated. That was the first time I saw my
Hmm.
nose bleed. So I was like,
Oh. Okay.
has anything like that ever happened to you? Like any injury or something?
Yeah, once I was riding my bicycle really fast and there was a turn, and since the speed was very high, I could not make the turn properly, and that's why I just fell and I hurt my knees really bad.
Uh, I think like knees and elbows are the most hurt parts of our body when we're riding something.
Yeah.
Yeah, great. And do you go to like places, parks or something with the cycle and stuff, something like that?
So recently I have stopped cycling because since COVID happened, I have just stopped cycling. But earlier I used to go to parks with my friends or parents, and yeah, it was a good experience.
Mm. And how's the lockdown? What all do you do in the lockdown?
I learned a few skills, I learned a few languages, but I have forgotten all of them now.
Oh, what are languages?
I tried to learn Spanish and Korean, but I just gave up after it became too difficult.
Oh, like, but you still remember the basics, do you?
Yeah, a little bit, yeah.
Oh, adios is Spanish, right?
Yeah, it means goodbye.